Hey guys, I'm Opinionated and thanks for tuning into my channel. I'll be doing a braid out tutorial using the TGIN Thank God I'm Natural hairline. So I started off using this shampoo and conditioner. It was really great. It got my hair feeling really soft and manageable and just clean. So I'm going to start with the Argan Replenishing Hair and Body Serum. I haven't used it on my body, but I'm pretty sure it would be amazing. But as far as my hair is concerned, it's actually great. I didn't even have to use a lot of product, which I loved. I just wanted to make sure I got it all over my roots and on my ends and definitely within the middle. So now I'm going to part my hair into 4 parts just because it helps me better manage my hair. So as you guys can see, at this point I've only used the shampoo, conditioner, and the Argan Oil Hair and Body Serum. Nothing else. And my curls are popping. So now I'm going to use the Twist and Define cream to make individual braids. So once I braid each individual braid down to the end, I'll wrap the ends on perm rods and roll them up to my scalp. Now just because I'm doing my braids small does not mean that you guys have to. You can always go bigger. I just feel for me, smaller braids gives me more definition. And voila. Now here comes the fun part. I don't know about you guys, but for me, I have the most fun taking my hair down. Not too much fun doing it because it takes so long, and depending on what hairstyle I'm looking for or what look I'm going for, it just takes a long time. But I love taking it down because most of the time, my hairstyle comes out better than I even expected, or sometimes not at all. But I enjoy touching each and every kinky curl in my head. So as I'm taking each individual braid down, I'm also unraveling and ruffling at the same time with my fingers. So now I'm going to fluff. So I'm starting at the back because I always notice that whenever I fluff at the back more, a lot of my curls, especially within the middle and the front, they tend to last a little bit longer. Alright, here is the finished product. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'll definitely do better. Stay more up to date on content and videos for you guys to share. Stay active on my Instagram and my Twitter. Tweet me some ideas, comment on any of my pictures, and let me know what you guys want to see.